Hello, Jan here from Into the Woods, and this is day 9 of our 30-day nature tonic challenge, where I go out every day into the woods and try and bring you a flavour of how it feels to be here, to bring you a breath of fresh air if you're self-isolating. The weather is exceptional. So again, we've got clear blue skies, not a hint of cloud. And that means that in the daytime, the temperatures are really rising, and I was gardening in my vest yesterday in the afternoon, but at the beginning of the day in the mornings, it's pretty cold. There's some sharp frosts. Very beautiful, but very cold. Do you see the ice on the surface? So I've been thinking about time and the meaning of time. Yesterday I said it was the wrong day. I think I said it was day 7 when it was day 8. And today I looked for my calendar and I couldn't find it. Normally I refer to my calendar about 20 times a day to book clients in, whatever. Time, man's time, clocks and dates is slipping away from me, and I'm becoming much more tuned into time in the woods. The frog spawn developing, the seedling growing, the buds breaking, the blossom coming out. This is becoming more real to me at the moment than temporal time, clock time. I wonder how it is for you. If you're working from home, it might be just the same. You might be still in that clock world. For many of us time has become strange and interesting. So I brought you back to this beautiful tree. I think I came here in the first 2 videos, and I'm round the other corner now. But this is such a beautiful spot because it's right on the edge of the wood, and there seems to be a lot of bird life here. It's the edge effect. If you have any interest in permaculture, I really see the edge effect here. If you don't have an interest in permaculture and you have plenty of time, I would say look it up. It's fascinating. There's a breeze today, a cold breeze, and all the ivy leaves are dancing around. And I'm pretty excited about the buds opening. Sometimes, some years, I kind of miss bud break. I go for a walk and then all of a sudden, wham, the leaves are out. This time, because I'm making these videos, I'm watching it inch by inch, and it's quite thrilling. So the little sycamore saplings have been out for a while, and I showed you some shots of those. They were kind of metallic, strange colour. Go back to day 1 and 2 and you'll see. Now they're just plain green pretty much, and it's the time of the oaks to shine. The oak buds are becoming fatter and fatter. I haven't seen any open yet, but they're on the brink. And then these woods are going to be so different. So I feel quite excited because I can see that the oak buds have swollen now, which means that they're going to start opening any day. See how plump they are? And one thing I am really enjoying in the woods at the moment, in a sensory way, is the dead leaves. So the first few days I brought you, the woods were still soggy. We've had a lot of floods lately and the ground was completely saturated and it was kind of splodge, splodge, splodge. Now, after those few days of that cold wind and 3 days of bright sunshine and a lighter air, and all of the leaves on the forest floor have dried out and they're crisp and crunchy. So for today's sensory experience, I'm going to take you through a walk I'm going to walk through the woods and let you listen to the sound of the leaves crunching. So I'm glad you could join me today. If you'd like to see more of these videos, please click the subscribe button down there, the little red button, and the notification bell. And I'll look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Bye bye.